Got him. Get the net. Holy moly. Holy crap. Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to River Blood. And today I'm doing something a little different. I'm down here carp fishing and maybe looking for some bass here in downtown Chicago. As you can see, I'm smack dab in the business district in downtown. It's Trump Tower right here. Very unique fishery. There's a ton of giant carp swimming around, and we are going to go ahead and try to get on some of them for you guys today. We got corn, bread, and some vanilla extract we're going to throw out today, and obviously some jigs and stuff for the bass. So let's get some lines out and see what we can't catch.
Yeah.
I see them. Holy moly guys, we just found the carp. Massive ones. It's our first stop in downtown. Let's see if we can't hook a big one. We've got corn and bread and vanilla extract. Let's see if we can't hook one. Oh, it spooked him. They're looking at it. Oh! The bass hit the bread. If I can't catch a fish here, there's something wrong with me. I'm not even kidding. The bass took my bread.
Oh no. Baby dog.
No, these fish started spawning a couple weeks ago. So you'll see them jumping a lot. There they are. They don't seem to be interested in the bread. Just gonna have to get it in their face. Hopefully one thinks they want to taste it. The bluegill are eating it. Who's gonna help me if I get a fish?
Oh yeah.
Try some corn. You know, carp love corn. Come on. He's going for it. The big one is. Oh, he sniffed it and he went. Holy moly. That's a monster. Got him. Get the net. Holy moly. Holy crap. He took me for a ride. I barely got him on the lip. I'm gonna take him down to the low end.
Okay.
We got a good one on, guys. Dad's about to net him. You guys are local, you know exactly where I'm at. Trump Tower's to my right there. And I forget what them concrete buildings are. Woo. We're gonna tell them kayakers to go around. I got him tired now. Please don't jump. Oh, it's a good one. You think you can reach over there?
I don't know. Now,
Come on.
you're taller.
Come on, Dad.
You got it.
I think she's
At least I'm
You
getting
want to
it.
hold
You're
it?
gonna lose your glasses.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Here, I'll hold your glasses.
I'm too short. No.
All right.
We're gonna flip you over.
Yeah, there's a lot down in there. This guy's got a ton of fight left in him.
They're all hanging around that fish you're catching.
Yeah.
They're like, get over my grill. I've never seen that before. What did he hit?
Corn. They wouldn't hit any bread, but I put a piece of corn on there, and a lot of times they're just tasting it and spitting it out real quick. So you got to set the hook instantly.
That's a carp.
Come on, Daddy.
Carp. That's a common carp. Reach.
Come on, Dad.
It's the crazy part. I seen someone put it through here.
Oh, that's like, oh, he broke me. I barely had him hooked.
Hey, man, you better get you one of
Look,
the spider web, the spider thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in Florida, I lost all the fish.
Look.
That's our first water fish, man. This motherfucker kind of heavy. He look kind
Yeah.
of big, though.
Yeah.
So, Jamie.
I know, we lost one because we couldn't net him.
Do it that way. He right there, too.
That was a big one I had on. They just cruise around it like they don't want it.
Those bluegill just peck you to death.
Yeah, then I had a big one just came out of nowhere and just clobbered it. Man, I hope I get another one. That was bullshit. I feel like it maybe if I had a bigger hook. Oh, he's got it. I got him.
Wear him out.
We got another one. I was in there complaining. He's not as big for sure, but I just don't want him going under the dock there. He'll break me off. I do got about 7 foot of 20-pound leader. He went under. Don't go under, buddy. Look at the bass chasing him.
I see that.
Carp. There's 2 bass down there with him.
Oh, yeah.
They're curious.
Wear him out. I'll get him.
I think this is about the lowest point.
Okay.
Gotta get out of this way.
Maybe down a little bit farther. I got him hooked good. We got him. You got him? Whew.
That's what I gotta do.
There we go. That's a common carp. There he is, guys. Our first common carp from Chicago River here in downtown. I'm gonna go ahead and release him.
Did you get a carp?
I did. Well, we got something on there. Bluegill. Variety of species there. Look how fat he is. These things eat good down here. All the food people throw over the side. Or he's full of eggs. They do spawn a few times in the summer. I see bluegill.
There's one right there.
Oh, it is. See if he'll bite. He's just eating stuff that's on the wall. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it. Oh, I missed him. He had the corn, not the bait. Or the corn, not the hook. That was my only shot at him, I bet. All right, guys, so it is the next day. I had to scram yesterday. It was getting really packed down here. Too many people to fish. So it's really good to get down here early if you're gonna fish. It's better on the weekdays here in downtown Chicago. So I wanted to tell you my rod and reel setup. It is a medium heavy fast Penn Pierce 3 7 foot with a 4,000 size reel with 20-pound braid and 7 foot of monofilament leader. That's 20 pounds with a size 2 U-Pro hook and a small split shot. The corn seemed to be working really good compared to the bread. We actually came down here and we've been trying to carp fish today. I've seen a few caught, a few big ones upstream here on the river walk. But I'm just catching bluegill. These fish seem to be really pressured this time of year. It is June. But overall, it was fun. Hope you guys got some value from this video. If you're ever coming up this way to fish, definitely check it out and go after the carp. Plenty of other species in here as well. But we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace.